today I'm going to show you how to use the MailerLite Refer a Friend program so you can share MailerLite with anyone who can benefit from our email marketing tools. To get started from the dashboard, go down to the bottom left and click on the Refer a Friend link. From here, you can see this process is pretty straightforward. First, you send the invitation. The invitee registers for a free MailerLite account and they'll receive $20 credit. When they upgrade to a paid account, you'll also receive $20 credit too. You can send the invitation via email. Right here in this field, you can add up to 5 different email addresses separated by a comma and click Send Invite. Or you can share your unique URL, which you can find right here and can easily be copied, which you can also use this to share to social media. Scrolling down to the stats section, you can see how many of your friends have signed up for a free account, how many have upgraded, how many credits you've earned total, and what your current balance is. Going down to the history section, you can click on this drop-down menu to review any of the referral signups, the upgrades, the credits you've used, the emails you've sent, and the initial credits in your account. Here you can see the date of all the history happening, the action, the details of the email addresses that have used the referral link, and the balance and credits that you have earned. If you need any additional help, you can reach out to our support team just here by sending us a quick message, or look through our help articles, ask the MailerLite community, enroll in our free courses in the MailerLite Academy, look through our step-by-step tutorials, or even hire an expert. Thanks for watching!